Miss O of O Skin Med Spa, and today we are launching our newest, most awaited product called the Bakuchiol Retinol Serum to give you a nice glowing and whitening of the skin, and also vitamin C for antioxidant, alpha lipoic acid which is responsible for elasticity of the skin, and also this will prevent you from having brown spots on your skin. This product also has intense whitening, so when you apply it on the face, it has lightening, brightening, and also an anti-aging effect. So when you apply it on the eye area, it will help diminish all the fine lines, the wrinkles on the forehead. This product is also an intense whitening. So actually, you can layer it para kung gaano ka-lighter yung gusto. When you apply one layer, magiging dewy yung skin. Pag nag-apply kayo ng 2 layers, magiging 1 shade lighter kayo. So when you apply 3 layers, paadagdag ng padagdag yung pagka-brighter ng skin niyo. Yung emulsion ng ascorbic acid dito sa vitamin C is very powerful to help rejuvenate your skin. And also, ang kagandahan din nito, meron din itong hyaluronic acid. Alam niyo, nilalagay natin sa fillers ko na rin. Gustong injekan yung cheeks ninyo. Ang ingredient po doon ay hyaluronic acid at meron po itong product na to para mag-help mag-plump ang skin ninyo.
Mga pimple marks ako dito last week. Wala na. In as fast as 3 days, like, no joke, in as fast as 3 days, magla-lighten ka agad yung mga pimple marks mo if you're the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Like, solid. Ganon yung feeling. Super effective. Ang tawag ko dito is the Magic Serum kasi it really lightens my face, it brightens, and it radiates my skin.